A stop sign means you must come to a complete stop. If you see a stop line on the road, you stop before the stop line. Make sure the front bumper of your car does not go over the stop line. So in this example, this car is correct and this car is wrong. If there is no stop line, then you stop before the crosswalk. So in this example, this car is correct. They are stopping before the crosswalk. And this blue car is wrong because they are stopping at the stop sign. When the stop sign is further back and you stop at the stop sign, your view is blocked by trees, fences, houses, parked vehicles, so you won't be able to see the traffic properly. If there's no stop line, no crosswalk, then you stop before the edge of the intersection. So in this example, the position of this car is correct. They are stopping before the edge of the intersection, and from this position you can see the traffic on both sides without any problem.